When you open the JMeter application, you will find this icon on the left hand side. This is called test plan icon or test plan box. This comes by default whenever you open the application. All your scripts will come under this. Please remember this cannot be deleted, moved or altered. This is absolutely fixed. The body will look like this. The name field will annote the name of the test you are running. You can also add a small description in the comment section here. The table below will allow you to correlate the user-defined variables. This means there are some data which are dynamic in nature, which means that the data value is not fixed. It can be anything from text to number. Now when you change the input here, it gets changed throughout the script wherever you have correlated that. I will share another video of a detailed discussion on correlation. Below buttons are as usually add or modify or delete data in the table above. Down below we have a few checkboxes. The first one tells you to run the threads consecutively. This means if you have multiple thread groups, this will allow you to run them one after another. If you uncheck this button, JMeter will execute all the threads simultaneously. The next button will allow you to run tier down thread groups. The one below that will allow you to run the JMeter script in functional test mode. This means this will save the sampler and response data. Always keep it checked when you are writing or debugging the script. The below box will help you to add or specify jar files or libraries that are exclusively required to run this test plan.